Hi, Marty Lecklatter, Product Manager, Forms Experience Builder. This example will show how the product can be used for proposal tracking and scoring. This is a common pattern, and we're going to start off this example with an email. So I'm one of the evaluators, and I need to go ahead and score various vendors for web form solutions, which we're taking a look at. And in this case, I'm going to start with IBM first. And I think what I'll do is look at the proposal from IBM. And I see, oh, they're pitching Forms Experience Builder. I can download the document. I can print that. The evaluation criteria has been added automatically to my score sheet here. And I can just double click and go in and score each individual item. And it will calculate the weighted score for me. And you see here that Forms Experience Builder is scoring top notch, 105. So I'll submit that, and perhaps later on somebody wants to take a look at how the different vendors scored, who scored what for what vendor. So essentially what we have here is a piece of the application where I can zero in and take a look at the different submissions and do sorting on them. So how do we set this up? Well, let's first go in and deactivate the web form solutions evaluation that we've got going. So this is an application here, a little demo that can do any number of evaluations. And let's say that what we want to do is run some sort of evaluation for social software. So we'll do some setup here in this particular form. We'll add the name and description of the evaluation, and we'll add some criteria. And we'll fast forward here a little bit, just do a couple so you don't have to see me type all these in. I think you get the idea that you put in the criteria, and you can be very verbose. You can have as many characters as you want, full sentences or paragraphs in here. And then we'll add a list of evaluators. This could actually be a pick list coming from your LDAP directory, perhaps, and you can automatically bring in the email or enter it manually. And when I activate this, what happens is the evaluators get notified, which is how I started off this demo, with the notification and a link to the score sheet. So the evaluation has been set up for social software. What I need to do now is go ahead and activate this. So let's pick it from the list, and you can see that it shows up as one of the items in the list, and we'll start this. And we need some proposals to enter. So in this case, we'll take a look at the number of different vendors, and of course we want to take a look at IBM. So we'll enter a proposal here for IBM, which they've submitted to our RFP, and we can actually attach the document that they sent to us here on a product called IBM Connections. And we can add whatever comments we want to this, and so forth, and submit this. And of course, this is something we do for all the various competitors in the evaluation. And these could be proposals for anything. They could be abstracts for speaking slots that you have in a contest, proposals for who is the most innovative that is going to win some award that you have internally. So let's go ahead and we'll go and score this. You see that here I can go and based on the information that was just entered, I can go ahead and score social software, and everything is dynamic. The setup and the proposal forms, they actually drive this particular application here, and then the reporting as well. So how does this all work? Well, I have one application here, and there are a number of different forms, and of course each form has got its own database. So you can see that on the right there, the outline as it's opening up, I've got a front end, which essentially is the menu, and then I've got a form for the evaluation setup. So I put the competition name in there, and the criteria and the evaluators, and then I've got a score sheet, and then a proposal sheet where I load those in, and then a scoring summary, which is really just acting as a report. And that's it.